throughout the rest of this course, we'll learn about a lot of different trigonomic identities. And these are things that are true, equations that you can use with the trig functions that are always true no matter what angle you put into them. And this one is about cofunction identities. And this tells us that the value of trigonomic function of theta is equal to the cofunction of the complement of theta. So what this means is that two functions that are cofunctions, it means that cofunctions of complementary angles are equal. So remember, two angles are complementary if they make a right angle, if they add up to either 90 degrees or in radians, this would all be pi over 2. So here we see that sine and cosine are cofunctions, which means sine of theta is equal to cosine of the complement of that angle. So 90 minus that angle. And you can switch it. Cosine of an angle is equal to sine of the complement of the angle. Tangent and cotangent are cofunctions. And secant and cosecant are cofunctions. Okay, so here we're not actually going to use this to find sine or cosine or whatever. We're just going to say, okay, what two things are the same? So if we have sine of 83 degrees, we can see that this is the same of cosine of 90 minus 83 degrees. So this would be cosine of 7 degrees. So all we're saying right now is that this little rule tells us that sine of 83 degrees is the same as cosine of 7 degrees. Okay, and here we have secant of pi over 3. So we're told that that's the same as cosecant of pi over 2 minus theta. So this would be cosecant of pi over 2 minus pi over 3. Now we would have to get common denominators, so the common denominator would be 6. So we'd multiply this one by 3 over 3 and this one by 2 over 2. So we'd have cosecant of 3 pi over 6 minus 2 pi over 6. So we'd get cosecant of just pi over 6. So what this is telling us is that secant of pi over 3, whatever that value is equal to cosecant of pi over 6.